Hey everyone! Welcome back to Django Tech, your daily dose of the latest in technology. Today is August 18th, 2025, and we've got some exciting tech news that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in.
First up, Australia is taking a huge step towards sustainability. The government has launched a national program to recycle and reuse solar modules. With the rise of solar energy, solar panel waste is becoming a problem, and this initiative will help tackle it head-on while promoting greener technology. Next, Apple is reportedly working on a brand new operating system called Charismatic. This OS is designed to power upcoming smart home hubs and tabletop robots, pushing Apple further into the world of smart devices. Exciting times ahead for the Apple ecosystem. Over at OpenAI, CEO Sam Altman admitted there were some challenges with the rollout of GPT-5. But don't worry, the team is working to improve AI responses, making them even warmer and more human-like. AI just keeps getting better. AI-powered drones are now making waves in industries from mining and utilities to public safety. These drones provide safer, more efficient solutions for inspections, surveillance, and emergency responses, proving AI isn't just smart, it's also incredibly practical. And finally, MIT researchers have developed a shape-changing antenna that can adjust its frequency range simply by altering its shape. This breakthrough could revolutionize communications and sensing tech without the need for complex mechanical systems. That's it for today's Tech Roundup. Which story excited you the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest in technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.